Hello and welcome to day 8 of December Doodles with Catherine, and today we're going to be drawing Christmas bells. We need to start by lightly drawing a circle. Then we're going to draw a line touching the bottom of the circle. We want to draw it just a little bit wider than the widest part of our circle so that it sticks out a little bit on each edge. Now we need to imagine or lightly draw another line parallel to that first one, right across the widest part of our circle. This is just going to be a guideline. What we want to know is where it touches the edges of our circle, so that we can draw straight lines from there down to each end of our baseline. This is going to give us our bell shape. Now we need to rub out the bottom bit of our circle. That's why we only drew it lightly. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to just draw the bit of the circle you want at the start, so you won't need to rub anything out. Now we need to create the rim of our bell. Underneath our baseline, we need another parallel line the same length. Now we need to add curved edges with cut shapes, like this. And our bell needs a clanger. So let's use another cut shape underneath, like this. Excellent! Now let's lightly draw another bell, exactly the same way as we did the first one. We'll put it on a wonky angle though, and make them overlap slightly. If you can't remember how you drew the first bell, just rewind and go back to the video and then follow the instructions again. If you're finding it tricky, try turning your paper around a little bit. Just twist it round so that you can draw it straight. Now we need to rub out the bits of the second bell that will be hidden behind the first bell. Don't forget any little bits on the rim where they overlap. Then we can neaten it up a bit using a pen or by pressing on a bit harder with our pencil. Ta-da! Well done you! You've just drawn some Christmas bells. I hope you enjoyed creating those. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on in December Doodles. See you tomorrow!